Today we're unboxing the Sony 16 to 25 millimeter f2.8 G lens, and this is for full frame Sony cameras. Great value, great quality of a lens. Let's go ahead and unbox it right here, and we'll try it on my Sony a7 IV. So we got this cardboard piece, the lens itself. There is some paperwork and stuff which I'm sure you don't care about, so we're just going to skip that part right there, and let's go ahead and get to the lens itself. So first off, feels really good quality feel to it. We do have the rear cover, the lens cover, and then we've got a lens hood right here, which you can flip around just like that, and it just snaps into place. There's no buttons or anything. Let's have a look at the lens itself. So we do have a function button right there, the autofocus on and off button. We do have the adjustable aperture on here as well. So you can go from auto, or you can click it into your manual adjustable right here. So A is for auto. If you click it over, you can go from 2.8 to 22. Then your zoom, you can see it's on 25 right now. So it's on the the most in angle. If you want to go to wide angle, it actually goes out. So it's kind of opposite of a lot of the lenses where you're usually when you zoom in, it would go out, but this one, it goes the other way. So, but I don't mind, that's okay. We take the back cover off. We do have no weather sealing on here. It's not a G Master lens, but still really, really good quality. On there, we'll take the lens hood off. And there we go. So we can actually, we'll take that off right there as well. 67 millimeter thread. So it's the most common thread. So that's really good. Let's go ahead and try it on my Sony a7 IV that I have right here. So we'll take, this is a 16 millimeter G lens. So very similar size. Maybe this one's a little bit bigger, but let's go ahead and throw this on. Obviously we have the little white piece right here, which aligns with the white on your camera. You want to put it a little bit before and then click it into place just like that. And that's how it's going to look on the camera itself. From that side, you can see I've got a rig kind of on my a7 IV, but ignore that part. We're looking at the lens itself. We'll go ahead and put that lens hood on. And there we go, just like that. But yeah, beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, but that's your unboxing of the 16 to 25 millimeter f2.8 G lens.